Hi, my name is Matt Adams. I'm a product manager with Viavi Solutions, and I'm really pleased to be able to talk to you today about the most recent addition to the MAP 300, our connector, insertion loss, and return loss manufacturing test system, better known in the market as PCT. Our PCT system is well regarded in the industry as one of the leading solutions for insertion loss, return loss measurements in high volume connector manufacturing environments. Bringing that solution application to the MAP 300, our focus has really been on revitalizing and renewing the user experience and the user interface. For volume manufacturing, what is the user interface? What does revitalizing mean? It really means driving down the number of mouse clicks, delivering the data in clean and efficient, easily, high visibility manners, in creating an overall higher efficiency experience for our customers. For more information, please contact us at viavisolutions.com/MAP300.